Pinecone is famous for their vector databases, which are fully managed, developer friendly, and quite easily available and scalable. They have announced the release of Canopy, which is a new RAG framework. In their press release, Pinecone has said that they have launched Canopy version 0.1.2 to let developers quickly and easily build GenAI applications using Retrieval Augmented Generation or RAG. So, in simple words, what Canopy is that it is an open source framework and context engine built on top of the Pinecone vector database, so you can build and host your own production ready chat assistant at any scale. From chunking and embedding your text data to chat history management, query optimization, context retrieval, including prompt engineering and augmented generation, Canopy takes on the heavy lifting so you can focus on building and experimenting with RAG. It's fully open source framework, so you can easily extend or modify each component of Canopy to accommodate your use case. As I mentioned earlier, Canopy uses a Pinecone vector database for storage and retrieval, which is free up to 100K vectors, or in other words, 30,000 pages of text, which is quite generous. It can also scale to billions of embeddings on paid plans, and you can check the paid plans from Pinecone's website. Now, the installation of Canopy is quite simple too, and I will drop the link in video's description to this GitHub repo where you can read more. But the setup is quite easy. All you need to do is to first install the package pip install Canopy SDK, set all of these environment variables, Pinecone API environment and stuff, and these two you can obtain from Pinecone's website. Just log into their website, and if you don't have any account, sign up for free, and then from your profile grab these two things, API key and environment, set it up. And also you need to have open API key, which is a paid one, and then just give it any name, the index will be the index on your own custom data. Once that's done, all you need to do is to run Canopy, and then Canopy will show you it's ready. So that's about it. Now you can create new index by doing Canopy new, and that will take the index name which have you printed it here. Now you can then upload your data by simple using command canopy upsert, and the directory where your data is. If you do this, it will upload multiple files in that directory, or you can simply go with a single file in Parquet format or JSON-L, or just to your text files. Now, and this text file will be in the CSV format. So that's how, and then once you start it, like Canopy start, it will start doing a rag for you, creating the index, and then you can start chatting with your own application, and then you can set it up or integrate with any of your own AI application. So pretty cool. I'm very impressed by this tool. And in the next video, I'm also going to show you a demo as how to actually do it on your own data. But in this video, I just wanted to give you a quick overview of it. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, let me know. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.